Hello everybody, welcome back. My name's Sam. I am a full-time reseller on eBay and Amazon. It's been a while since I've done a video. Basically, lots of life stuff's been happening. Now this is a completely different view to what you're normally used to. We're going to be doing an unboxing today. I have bought another set of this before, and there's one particular reason why I'm buying it. So yeah, I'm gonna show you what we got. So we got ourselves. I thought I'd video it just in case we find a good pull. And this is the SirFetch'd, if I zoom out a little bit, the Galarian SirFetch'd, or Galarian SirFetch'd, sorry, box, Pokemon box, with a couple of packs in it. So yeah, it should be cool, and we'll see what we find. It was £20.99 from game. You also get in that bundle all these stuff, which you can see is sort of just slightly in the corner. Oops, drop that card. So here's an Eternatus V. This is obviously a jumbo card. Basically, we're trying to make a profit from the box, right? So this card, let's zoom in a little bit now. Now we've seen the main bits. Zoom in sort of like that. That should be okay. So yeah, Eternatus V. It's 160 out of 189. This is the jumbo card you get with game when you spend over £15. So pretty cool. You've got Toxicity here. Toxicity V with the Sword and Shield Rebel Clash on it, which is quite cool. Again, number 70 out of 192. Again, a jumbo card. I think this one's worth like £2, and this one's like £3. So that's a fiver. Anyway, next is this one. This is the card you want, and this is Eevee on the ball, and this is the Pokemon Futsal like special edition promo, number 2 out of like 002 out of 005. So there's obviously more of these cards, but this is the second one I've got now, because I bought 2 of these. This card on its own is worth 15 quid. Some people have got as high as like 30, 40, even a little bit higher, I believe. So I'm probably going to keep him in this bit and then eventually PSA him and then get him back, and it'll be just a cool promo to hold on to. So Eevee on the ball, very cool. Yeah, but let's get to the main event, the packs and the 2 promos that are inside it, and we'll go from there. Nice little knife. Pick it up on Amazon. I'll have the link down below eventually. Once I actually get my head right out. Oh, this isn't a box you slice into. This is just a tear. Okay, here we go. Just gonna tear into it. A little bit of an unboxing. I thought this might be cool, just in case we pick something good, right? Thought I might video it, so I can show you guys. So I'm doing this as an investor. I used to collect cards when I was a kid. So it's kind of cool just to open up again. It's a bit of a, what's it called? Bit of like a throwback, you know. Bit of I can't remember. I can't think what the word is on camera now. I'll remember it later on. But yeah, let's open it up. So obviously you've got the promo on the front, the SirFetch'd, the giant version, the jumbo version, and the mini version. So if we take this like screen off, right? So what I will do with that Eevee card, just to let you know, is I'll stick 2 top loaders, one on the back, one on the front, and tape them together just to make sure it's protected. So that's pretty cool. Obviously it's in that plastic thing anyway, but obviously it's not super protective, that plastic thing, right? So we have to try and get this bit off, which is extremely difficult to do. Apparently. Oh no, it's really easy once you get your hands around it. Right, okay. So we'll get to the promo card on the front in a minute. Again, the jumbo card, this Galarian, I think it's Galarian SirFetch'd V. Again, SWSH043. I think this is like £4, £3, £4. So it's pretty cool. It's a cool card, but obviously in jumbo form it's a bit weird. We'll have to get some things to protect it. And we got the, oh yes, look, we've got an Evolutions pack. I got this on my last one. I don't know whether you always get an Evolution pack, but we have got Evolutions, so that's pretty cool. Right, so to get this guy out, I think you just like pop this, right? Somehow. Oh, there you go, there's a little pull bit there. Easy done, get that out of the way. And if we just sort of, there you get a code card as well, that's cool. So there's a Galarian SirFetch'd. Again, this is like £4 or £5, I think it's like £3 or £4. But pretty cool. Nice little promo. We will sleeve this guy up, so let's get some sleeves ready. There's a code card. I don't play it. So I don't know, I might do like a giveaway of them. I might not show it in this video, I'll decide what to do with them. But yeah, let's get some sleeves out and sleeve this guy up to protect him. I'm going to put him in a top load as well. I don't know whether he's not really worth it, but I'm going to put him in one anyway, so there's a little sleeve. Let's get him in there. Here we go, beautiful. Nice, Galarian SirFetch'd, awesome. Put them in a little top loader as well. These top loaders are not in good condition, they're not my ones, these are ones I've gotten and buying cards online. Let's use one of my ones, nice and clean new ones, right? be more better prepared than this. But I can't see through the camera lens to do that. There we go. There we go. Just sort of put it in, force it down. We should have opened up the top loader first, like, you know, wiggled it a bit to open it up. There you go. And then just sort of try and get him in most of the way. There we go. Cool. There you go. Awesome. In the top loader. Cool. Right, okay, so opening up these. So we've got 2 Darkness Ablaze packs, 1 Sword and Shield pack, and an Evolutions pack. We'll save the Evolutions to last. These packs are like 10, like, I think they're like £8 to £10 on their own, and with the Charizard art, they're even more. So yeah, we are going to open him though, because, you know, we want to. Right. Let's go with, I feel like the worst is like base Sword and Shield, so we'll go with that one first. And then say I'm going to try and keep the packs in as good a condition as I can. Like, I like keeping packs mint, because I think it's cool. It's cool to get a mint, so I've got to try and like open this. There we go. It's sort of coming there. Yeah, you can see it there. Cool. Okay. I want to try and keep them so it's like they've only been opened at the top. So I can keep them like nice looking cool. I know the Charizard, the actual Charizard pack with the, or the Evolutions pack with the Charizard art is actually worth money, which is so weird. So keep a heads up on that. There we go. Cool. Okay, I think that's everything out. It is indeed. There we go. So we kept that one really nice and fresh. I don't actually know what that is on the front. No clue what that Pokemon is. I only know literally like when Pokemon Platinum and Pearl came out, and a little bit of Black and White. Those are the only ones I know. So Hoot, that is cool art. I like the artworks. Score Bunny. Sorry, cool artwork. Pikachu, obviously know who that is. Awesome artwork. Sinistea, no clue. New one to me. I know who that is. Wooloo. Evolution Incense. That's a reverse. Nice. And we didn't get anything special in that, but that's cool. That's pretty cool. I will sleeve that up. I sleeve all these up, to be fair. There's Claydol is our rare, and then Energy, Stunfisk, Pokemon Sense Lady, and Seeking. Cool. Okay. Interesting. Cool. I will sleeve those ones up. The reverse rare I will sleeve now on camera. I know a lot of people like seeing me sleeve cards, or like seeing people, not me, seeing people sleeve cards, so I will sleeve him on camera. It's like satisfying, isn't it? But yeah, I don't think the reverse is worth anything from this pack. I don't think this is worth like maybe £1 maximum, probably. But yeah, pretty cool, pretty cool. Right, what we got next? This Evolution pack is like sticking to the table. God, that's weird. Right, Darkness Ablaze. Don't know who that is on the front. Someone. If you know, put a comment down below and let me know. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Yeah, put a comment down below. I have no clue who that is. Absolutely no clue. Right. This one opened much easier. Much easier. Again. Nope. This one's not going to be able, this one's not going to let me keep it nice and fresh. This one is not going to let me do it. Okay. So, there's that one. Whoever that is. Another pack kept fresh. So we got Snubble. I don't know the card tricks for these, so I'm not going to do them. Snubble. Meltan. That's a cool art. Bumblebee. Paris, obviously know that is. Larvitar, awesome. Clink is our reverse. I don't think we've got anything behind him. Nope, Staraptor. Cool though. But yeah, the Clink's cool. The reverse rare Clink is pretty cool. And then Energy. Ooh, Simipour, that's cool art. Spike Move and Bird Keeper. And there's the code. You can have that one. There you go. You can have this code as well. I'll give this code away as well. Here you go. Yeah. I've got some codes upstairs, like four packs. So yeah, if you want them, let me know in the comments, and maybe I'll, like, I don't know, give them away on some kind of social platform. Click. Cool. Result. So let's put him on the top of these cards we got. I don't think he's worth money again. I don't think any of them really, like, I think bulk you can really say like 10p a card. And that Clink I don't think is worth anything. You're really looking for obviously the V cards, and then Charizard is what you're looking for from Darkness Ablaze. So we've got this one. This is Centre Scorch, I believe. Yeah. Let's give it a go, see what we get. I would love to have an opening channel because, I mean, I enjoy opening things, right? And it is a bit of, I can't remember the word. But obviously opening cards is dead expensive. But they're good investments, so to have an opening channel would be cool. Okay, butchered that pack again. In the future, right? In the future. Maybe we'll invest in more of these cards. So, there's that one. Not really very nicely kept, but oh well. Jigglypuff, I'll keep it so I don't see the card. Jigglypuff, Dunsparce, Clink, Marini, no clue. Torchic, that's cool. It's like the clay looking cards. Steenie, no clue who that is. Reverse rare, and a Gothitelle. That's our rare, and then nothing else after that. That's cool art. I like that. That's cool artwork. Solrock, Relicanth, a Yellhorn, and a code. Enjoy. Right, let's get a sleeve for this Steenie. Cool, we've not had very good luck with these, have we? We've really not. Last time I think I got one V card out of the box. Yeah, we've really not had very good luck with this, but there you go. Steenie, that's just typical. The one I decided to do a video on, I have no luck on it. My friend pulled a Gardevoir VMAX, which was nice. That's like £30, £40 card, so that's a win-win. I'll get mine all graded. If they're worth money, I'll get mine graded. But there we go, Charizard Evolutions pack. This is the one that could be big bucks. Imagine if we got a Charizard in it. I think I'd go mental. Right. There we go. Keeping it somewhat fresh. Not super succeeding, but... And the pack art of this is worth money, so make sure you keep the pack fresh. And also, it's Evolution, so it just looks cool, doesn't it? Because it's all the old cards, but there you go. Charizard pack art Evolutions. Okay, come on. Give us some luck. Onyx. Fairy Energy. Voltorb, that is cool. Oh, there's something shut. It's a holo. Tangela. Poliwag. Electabuzz, that is an awesome reverse, though. That's awesome. Oh my god. Oh my actual god. I thought from the shiny side it was a holo, but it's a full art. Oh my actual god. Is this thing... This is nice. Right, I'm going to sleeve that up straight away. I'm trying to keep my reaction... Because I'm in the dining room. So I'm trying to keep my reaction somewhat minimal. That is sick. Okay, wait a minute. So Electabuzz, first of all, is awesome. That's a sick... That's a wicked reverse. Look at that. And then a Mewtwo. Oh my god. This has got to be one of the good cards to get from here. Oh my god. Look at it. Oh, it's in such nice nick. Oh my god, that's awesome. Look at this, guys. That is like, if I've ever seen a PSA 10 worthy card, this is probably it. And freshly pulled as well. There's a little bit of whiting on the back, which might knock it down. But centering looks insane. Oh my god. And a Charmeleon as well. I know Charmeleon is worth money. I'm going to sleeve him up because I know he's worth money. Or he's like collected, you know. Mewtwo. Oh my god, that is so mad. Let's go. Top loader. Oh my days. I need to get some semi-rigids, Ultra Pro semi-rigids card sleeves, because that's what obviously you need for PSA. Although they do accept top loaders now, so it isn't an issue. But they say obviously semi-rigids are better to protect your cards. Right, so let's just get that open, right? So the card goes in much easier. Oh my god, I am actually... Oh my god. I think this is one of the best cards to get from this set. So to pull it, I can't even get it in. I don't want to like... Oh yeah, it's going in. It's going in. To pull it is actually insane. Like, I pulled it. That is mad. I mean, I can show you my expensive card collection, but that is mental. Look at it, guys. That's insane. That's one of the, like... Oh my god, actually, that's so cool. Can't believe we pulled that. I think that's on the sleeve, the white marks. Yeah, that's definitely on the... Oh, is that on the sleeve or on the card? Okay, yeah, the white marks are on the top loader. Okay, so it's not white. Oh my god, that is so cool. Look at that, guys. Mewtwo. Oh my god. I don't know what it's worth. I have no clue, guys, so... Let me know down below what it is, what it's worth, and that'd be cool. I know you can get secret rares from this. I did pull one when I opened it on my own. I pulled a secret rare. I can't remember which one it was. It was the tree one. Yeah, Charmeleon, awesome. Professor Oak's Hint, and a Nidoran, or Nidorino. Get my cards right. Right, code card. There you go. All right, but yeah. Oh my days. A Mewtwo EX. I do not know how much that card is worth. That is insane. that is insane. What I might do is have a quick research and then sort of come back to you guys. Maybe have a quick research of all the cards and come back to you. All the cards that I think are worth something, and I will see you in a second. Okay, so I'm just in handheld mode, and I've done a bit of research. This is like £2. I haven't researched the other reverses. You guys let me know if they're worth anything. That's like £2. Cool. This is like 15 quid on its own without being graded. If I get this in a 10, it's like 80. And it's in really good nick. Like, the white marks you can see on it are on the top loader. They're not on the card. As you can see, they're just wiping off. Yeah, it's in really good nick. So yeah, that's like potentially 60, 70, 80 quid result. And that's only going to go up as well. So that's awesome. That is a wicked pull. Look at that. I've actually turned profit in both of my boxes I've bought of this now. Like, the first box, we made about 31 quid gross. This box, to be fair, this box is probably similar to the first one. 31 quid or so. But yeah, in terms of what I'm going to send off to get graded, I'll probably send that off to get graded. Probably send that off. I thought the Charmeleon was worth money. It's not, because it's not the reverse version. So the reverse version is worth money. I don't know if any of these are. Not checked. Yeah, and then in terms of other cards I'll send off to get graded, 100% this will go off to get graded, because non-graded it's 15 to 45 quid. Graded, well, no one's graded it yet. So I'm hoping, like, I don't know, like 50, 60, 70, I don't know. But yeah, 3 cool pulls from that. So that's not too bad. I mean, that's not obviously a pull, that's a promo, but yeah, this is cool. That's the pull. Yeah, awesome. Anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you have, do hit the like and subscribe. To be fair, that's probably one of the best pulls of the thing as well. That's like £4 that pack art on eBay. But yeah, awesome. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope you have enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next video, hopefully more often as well. We're going to have another opening soon. We're going to have an opening of Champion's Path. So that'll be coming up. So stay tuned for that one. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.